Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add money to card on Wise. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, all you gotta do is simply go ahead, open up your Wise app, go ahead, add in your email address over here of your account, add in your password and tap on login. You're good to go. Once you have done that, you're going to be at the home section. You simply have to select the add money option from the menu options and select the specific balance you want to top up. Then once you added the amount, tap on add. Then enter the amount and the currency which you'd like to add to your Wise card. Then afterwards, simply have to choose your preferred payment method. Then tap on continue to payment. Simply have to add in your payment details further for them to confirm and deduct it to add in your Wise card. Once you provide the payment methods information accordingly, it will be there added and it will be notified to you that your Wise card has been credited with some sort of amount, whatever method you have choose to get the information, like the message or the email. You can also check the balance, right, going to the balance again and checking it, refreshing it. That is how you can add it, and hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.